Today I want to share a recipe that my neighbor, Mrs. D, used to make every summer when I was growing up. It wasn't fancy. As a matter of fact, it was pretty simple, which is what made it so good. It's been years since I last had it, and Mrs. D is no longer with us. So here's my rendition of it based on lots of good memories. To make the crust, we combine some finely crushed sugar cookies with melted butter. This gets pressed into a 9x13 pan and gets baked off. Next, we beat together some heavy cream with granulated sugar until it forms stiff peaks. Now to that, we add some cream cheese and whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. At this point, grab a rubber spatula and fold in lots of sliced fresh strawberries. All of this goodness now goes on top of our cooled crust, and into the fridge it goes to firm up. I can still remember how she topped each piece with extra berries. To get the cool and refreshing recipe for Mrs. D's Icebox Strawberry Shortcake Bars, all you have to do is stop by our website. I bet this would be perfect for any Memorial Day get-together. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mrs. D was a good baker.